NFTs appear poised to rule in 2022, and the recent shift in P2E gaming toward NFT utility could make blockchain gaming this year's sector sweetheart. Following the success of decentralized finance, DeFi, non-fungible tokens, NFTs, rose to prominence, surprising many, and are now front and center, with the biggest number of sales occurring around the beginning of January 2022. While 2021 was designated as the year of the NFT, GameFi applications outperformed DeFi in terms of user popularity. Bloomberg acquired the following information using DApp Radar data. Nearly 50% of active cryptocurrency wallets connected to decentralized applications in November were for playing games. The percentage of wallets linked to decentralized finance, or DeFi, dApps fell to 45% during the same period, after months of being the leading dApp use case. Play to earn, P2E, game on the blockchain Axi Infinity exploded in popularity, igniting a gaming frenzy that is predicted to last until 2022. P2E blockchain-based games have high expectations from crypto analysts and gaming supporters, and there are certain to be a few sleeping giants that will rule the field. Take a look at 5 blockchain games that may become popular in 2022. Defi Kingdoms was born out of a basic enthusiasm for investment, which led to the creator's discovery of blockchain technology. Defi Kingdoms was created as a visual representation of liquidity pool investing, with in-game gardens representing actual and figurative token pairings and mining. Investors have a piece of their LP stake within a plot covered with blossoming plants, as illustrated in the game. Defi Kingdoms adds a twist to playing a game by tying the notion of growth to DeFi protocols inside a play-and-earn approach. Joule is also a governance token, giving holders a say in the project's growth and evolution. The token price has risen from $1.23 to an all-time high of $22.52 in the just 4 months. Joule is trading at $19.51 at the time of writing, down roughly 16%. According to CoinGecko statistics, the Joule token price has risen around 165% in the last month alone, up from a low of $1.23 4 months ago in September. Guild of Guardians is one of the most anticipated blockchain games for 2022, and it's developed on Immutaplex, Ethereum's first Layer 2 solution for NFTs. It will function as a free-to-play mobile role-playing game, modeled after the P2E principles, in order to enable more access. Guild of Guardians in-game assets may be traded, just like in blockchain games like Axi Infinity. The NFT founding sale and token launch generated approximately $10 million in volume, indicating that many gamers and investors are interested in the concept. The Guild of Guardians, GOG, tokens, which will be released in October 2021, are ERC-20 tokens that function as gems within the game. The game's core functions, such as minting in-game NFTs and interacting with the marketplace, are powered by gems, which may be earned while playing. The Guild of Guardians token has been fairly consistent over the previous month after reaching an all-time high of $2.81 shortly after its introduction. Despite the fact that the token is now down over 50% from its all-time high, some members of the community are looking forward to the potential of staking and liquidity pools, which are features that assist to stabilize token values. Imagine turning a proof of concept, PFP, NFT into an avatar to combat other warriors in a galaxy far, far away. Galaxy Battle Club, GFC, is a blockchain game that has evolved from a 10,000 avatar collection to the first cross-brand, cross-platform PvP fighting game in which users may fight with their avatar collection. With a focus on interoperability, GFC sets a high value on its original combatants while allowing other avatars to compete for awards. The game will be released on the Polygon network, and it will include numerous themes from several partnered collections, such as Animetas and Cyberkongs, in order to achieve its cross-platform goal. GFC is a game similar to Super Smash Bros., however instead of wiping out your opponent, you're fighting for loot keys to open loot boxes. GFC is still in beta testing and has seen a few minor difficulties, including a delayed DEX launch, IDO. It's unclear when public access will be accessible, although many are anticipating a launch in Q1 2022. It confronts obstacles, just like any other early market mover, and its recent price decline might be an appealing entry moment for investors who were previously priced out. Because land has yet to be distributed, users may be able to manufacture and harvest materials that will yield more tokens. Axi Infinity sold one of the 75 Genesis land plots for $2.3 million, making it one of the biggest digital land transactions in the NFT/metaverse sector to date. The Sky Mavis team has revealed that it has updated the basic engine from its 2D visual style to 3D in order to adapt to the fast-increasing blockchain gaming environment. The developers also said that Project K, a code name for a game piece in Lunacy's Kingdom, will be published in stages, each focusing on a different aspect of the game, such as resource collecting and group strategic gameplay. 2022 will be an exciting year for gamers, producers, and investors as the notion of blockchain games gets traction and play-to-earn models grow. CryptoBeasts is a pixelated digital art game that evokes the original Zelda game's antiquated atmosphere. CryptoBeasts is a peer-to-peer electronic rare egg system, built on the Ethereum blockchain, first for everything, right? These 10,000 pixelated multicolored eggs come with one land parcel and one decentralized autonomous organization, DAO, vote in the game's Eggland environment. The DAO is structured in such a way that a player's voting standing is determined by the quantity of X they own. Each choice appears to be made in CryptoBeasts, as weird as it may sound. Numbers are significant since they may define one's standing, but prime-numbered eggs provide advantages such as giving more native CBX tokens and the ability to birth unique animals with higher power. According to Dune Analytics, the most expensive uncommon egg sold for 5 Ether, ETH, which was worth $9,085 at the time of sale. And statement concerning in-game tokenomics resulted in an increase in sales on December 31, 2021. The current entrance price of 0.05 ETH is significantly more than the June 2021 mint price of 0.01 ETH. While CryptoBeasts professes to be fun to play rather than play to earn, it is nevertheless a blockchain game whose competitive advantage is based on tokenomics. The native token, CBX, is an in-game token that will be distributed to all rare egg holders via an airdrop. Beast Combat, land parcels generating daily CBX, accomplishing particular in-game chores, and cultivating and harvesting materials are all said to be ways to earn CBX tokens. CBX can also be staked to encourage people to hold on to their holdings for a bit longer than they expected. From purchasing products in the in-game market to breeding, the token is anticipated to fuel in-game services and features. CryptoBeasts plans to incorporate an academy and scholarships, similar to Axi Infinity but not by coincidence, to allow larger investors to loan out their assets. Axi Infinity is an established and well-developed ecosystem with a solid economic model, having been the first blockchain game to implement its play-to-earn approach. Axi Infinity is now being viewed as a Trojan horse for the adoption of blockchain games in general. According to DApp Radar's statistics, Axi Infinity has maintained its position at the top of the NFT rankings. With $563.6 million in the last 30 days, Axi Infinity has surpassed NBA Top Shot, Splinterlands, and Wax Blockchain's Farmer's World as the most traded collection. SLP, the in-game utility token, and AXS, the governance token, are used to breed Axis, which are the NFT utilized for gaming. Despite the total yield being cut from over 200% at the outset to about 88%, consumers are continuing to harvest a high annual percentage yield, APY, with over $1.56 billion invested. The Katana Decentralized Exchange, DEX, was just launched, allowing participants to farm RON using SLP or AXS to offer liquidity. The ecosystem token, RON, will be utilized as the gas costs on Axi Infinity's Ronin sidechain, similar to Polygon, Matic. In many respects, Axi Infinity is its own digital nation with a functioning economy. It confronts obstacles, just like any other early market mover, and its recent price decline might be an appealing entry moment for investors who were previously priced out. Because land has yet to be distributed, users may be able to manufacture and harvest materials that will yield more tokens. Axi Infinity sold one of the 75 Genesis land plots for $2.3 million, making it one of the biggest digital land transactions in the NFT/metaverse sector to date. The Sky Mavis team has revealed that it has updated the basic engine from its 2D visual style to 3D in order to adapt to the fast-increasing blockchain gaming environment. The developers also said that Project K, a code name for a game piece in Lunacy's Kingdom, will be published in stages, each focusing on a different aspect of the game, such as resource collecting and group strategic gameplay. 2022 will be an exciting year for gamers, producers, and investors as the notion of blockchain games gets traction and play-to-earn models grow.